Records management is very important. It is here to help us determine what records we need to retain or dispose of, in the proper manner. We use records management as a transacting tool to show how employees, departments, and units handle business on behalf of the university. It is regulated by Wisconsin state law, which means all employees of the university must obey this policy, along with general records schedules. General records schedules provide legal authorization to dispose of records common to business function on a regularly scheduled basis. The university has established guidelines on how to identify records that must be retained, how to securely store retained records, and how to properly dispose of records. There are 4 essential steps to records management to ensure compliance with policy and best practices. Step 1 is to review files. If you are unsure if a particular record must be retained, you can go on the UW-Whitewater Records Management web page. Step 2 is to update your disposition log. This is to help departments keep track of all their dispositions. Step 3 is to identify means of disposition. If employees are not sure how to dispose of record, they can check the UW System General Records Schedules, along with going on the UW-Whitewater Records Management web page. Once the correct means of disposal are identified, you can either destroy confidential, or retain them. If the final disposition of the records is destroy, and the records have been retained within your office area, it is appropriate to place the materials in your building's recycling or trash receptacles. If the final disposition of the records is destroy confidential, there are special precautions to ensure the materials are securely handled. Prior to destruction, the records marked confidential should be properly organized and protected during their retention cycle. Before destroying confidential records, be sure you fill out the disposition log. Records can then be destroyed confidentially within your department, or sent to the archives for destruction. To send materials to the archives, highlight in the disposition log the records you wish to transfer to the archives for retention or destruction, then upload the log into the records transfer notice. And during destruction, the confidential records must be shredded, or burned. Never placed in a trash receptacle. Lastly, you can choose to retain the records. This could be permanently, or transferred to the campus archives. If you have any questions, please check the UW-Whitewater webpage, and then with further inquiries contact your preservation archivist. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.